So imagine waking up, checking your analytics, and realizing your landing page just, like, redesigned its own layout overnight to catch a sudden spike in mobile traffic.
Yeah, which sounds like total science fiction, honestly.
Right, but that is the actual reality we're exploring today with Flint AI. As always, we were doing our usual browsing on the AIagentstore.ai website page, and this one really caught our attention.
It definitely stands out.
Yeah, our mission today is to figure out how this no-code platform shifts from, simple role play into running full-blown autonomous business campaigns.
Exactly. I mean, the leap here is fundamentally about moving from software as just a tool to software as an actual digital employee. It
Yeah.
completely redefines the whole labor versus compute equation.
Okay, hold on. Before we get to the digital employee part, I'm looking at their core mechanics here. It's like playing with digital Legos, right? You just snap pieces together without writing a single line of code.
Right, yeah.
But they use this term, meta agents.
Hmm.
Honestly, meta agents sounds like classic marketing jargon. Are these not just highly customized GPTs?
Well, it's easy to assume that, but the underlying mechanism is actually a lot deeper. A standard custom GPT just waits for your input.
Right, and it sits there until you tell it what to do.
Exactly. But a meta agent in Flint operates way more like a digital general contractor. You don't hand it the bricks, you just hand it the blueprints.
Oh, interesting. So you're just giving it the overarching goal.
Yes. You define its personality, its specific knowledge base, brand voice, and its ultimate purpose. And from there, it independently orchestrates the subtasks needed to actually achieve that purpose.
Wow.
And you can choose to keep this contractor entirely private, or you can release it to their community.
Wait, if it's a general contractor orchestrating all these subtasks, how independent is it really? Because on the AIagentstore.ai page, they boast an 85% autonomy level.
Yeah, that 85% is a huge deal.
It is. What actually happens in that 85%, and why should a busy marketer or founder care about that?
So that 85% represents the execution loop. Instead of just generating text for you to copy and paste into your CMS, Flint uses a multi-agent framework.
Oh?
Yeah. So once you feed it your initial inputs, like your brand's design system and campaign objectives, one sub-agent drafts the copy. Then another verifies it against your specific guidelines.
Oh, wow. So they check each other's work.
Exactly. And then a third agent actively updates the marketing pages. It creates and optimizes within that scope domain without you having to click approve on every single comma.
That sounds amazing, but also mildly terrifying. If this thing is 85% autonomous and actively ingesting my proprietary campaign strategy to, change my live website, what is stopping it from feeding my brand's secret sauce back into its training model?
That is the first thing everyone asks.
Right. It seems like a massive risk.
It is a critical bottleneck for enterprise adoption,
Yeah.
definitely. But Flint addresses it by keeping the system completely closed source.
Okay, so it's totally walled off.
Yes, your data stays entirely in a walled garden. The conversations and the proprietary logic it ingests are not used for model training at all.
So it's not learning from my campaigns to help my competitors.
Nope, not at all. The AI executes the campaign locally within your private environment. This means you can trust it with core business strategy without worrying about leaking it to the public domain.
That is a huge relief. So for you listening right now, just think about your own workflow. How would a private, highly autonomous agent that requires absolutely zero coding change your daily grind?
It's wild to think about.
It really is. Imagine just handing off your landing page optimization and finally being able to focus on the big picture stuff.
Which, leaves us with a pretty paradigm-shifting question to ponder.
What is that?
Well, if anyone can instantly spawn a specialized marketing and web optimizing agent without any technical skills, how will this completely reshape the traditional creative agency model?
Man, that is definitely something to think about. To see how you can set up your own digital general contractor, head over to the AIagentstore.ai website page to check it out. Thank you so much for reading the podcast. We really appreciate it. Keep experimenting, and we'll catch you next time.